In order to service the demand drive on your Polaris Ranger 1000, you'll need a drain pan, some way to jack it up. That gives you better access to the fill plug that you'll have to remove. A 3/8 drive socket wrench, a 6-inch extension, an 8mm hex socket, the Polaris demand drive fluid that it calls for, a rag, and we're good to go. The demand drive is this unit you see right back in here. And you can see the drain plug, or the fill plug, excuse me, right there. The drain plug is underneath. You can see the drain plug for the demand drive right there. Step 1, turn your tires all the way to the passenger side and jack the machine up. Now I'm going to remove the fill plug in the demand drive. That's what the fill plug looks like. Next step is pull the drain plug. Well, first you gotta have your drain pan ready, and we'll pull the drain plug. Okay, keep going.
It's about there.
Okay, and then just pull it out of the way and it will drain. We cleaned up the drain plug and the area around it and put it back in and torqued it down. We've got a funnel right here with a hose that's running down through and around into the fill hole. And I also put a piece of rag underneath there because it's inevitable you're going to spill some when you're checking to see how high you are. And the fill process is pretty imprecise. Now we need to add 9.3 ounces of demand drive fluid to the demand drive unit, and this is pretty imprecise because there's nothing on the bottle that shows you how far you've gone, so it's just going to be a little bit of a messy process until it reaches the top of the fill hole. Snugged it back down in the demand drive. Now we're going to clean up a little bit of the mess that inevitably happens when you're doing a project like this, and we'll be back in business to go put some more miles this afternoon on our 2020 Polaris Ranger Crew 1000.